Hello all, here I am with an Olympiad question of Achievers section part. Here we have xy is equal to 6 and x plus x square y plus xy square plus y is given equal to 63. Okay, then we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So let's see how to solve this. Okay, now we are given that we are having xy is equal to 6, okay, and x plus x square y plus xy square plus y is equal to 63. Okay, so let it be equation number 1. Okay, now from equation number 1 we will bring this x plus y together and this x square y plus xy square, that gives us 63. Okay, now x plus y plus, here we can take at least one x as common and one y as common, so we will be left with x plus y. Now it means we have factorized this algebraic expression. Okay, now x plus y, this x plus y can be taken as common, so we are left with 1 y, because this x plus y is taken as common, 1 plus x y, because this x plus y is taken as common, is equal to 63. Okay, now we are having x into y is equal to 6. So in place of xy we can write at 6. Okay, now x plus y into 1 plus 6 is 7 is equal to 63. Now x plus y, it is multiplied on this left hand side. When it will go to the other side, it will divide 63 and we will get x plus y as 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. Now we can take x plus y as it is equal to 9 as equation number 2. Okay, now on squaring, okay, on squaring equation number 2, we will get x plus y whole square is equal to 9 square. Now x plus y whole square, the expansion will be x square plus 2xy plus y square, and 9 square is equal to 81. Okay, now x square plus y square plus 2 multiplied xy, the given value is 6. Okay, so in place of xy we will write as 6 is equal to 81. Now x square plus y square plus 12 is equal to 81. Now x square plus y square, and now when plus 12 will be side transfer, plus will become minus. Okay, so 81 minus 12. So x square plus y square and 81 minus 12 will give us the solution as 69. So the value of x square plus y square is equal to 69.